Everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your Ember Mug in case for whatever reason you need to do it. Like a lot of times if something is bugging, like if it won't connect to the app or just things are not working right, it can help to just do a hard reset just like on a computer or whatever. And so in order to do a hard reset on it, all we're going to do is we're going to turn it upside down, and we're going to, on the power button, we're going to push it and we're going to hold it for about 15 seconds. And the light is going to blink blue, then yellow, then red to indicate that it's being reset. So we want to wait till it blinks blue, then yellow, then red. Here we go. And then red. And now once it blinks red, we can let go of it. And then this should go back to white once it's finished resetting. So there we go. It has finished resetting. So now you can repair it with your device, but you're also going to have to go into your Bluetooth settings and make sure that you have it be forgotten. Go into your phone and have it forget the device as well, so that you can restart over from the very beginning. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.